It's Rob on the Road, discovering the stories that capture the unique spirit of Northern California. Here's KVIE's Rob Stewart.
Northern California is rich with cultural diversity and talent, and one of this area's brightest gems is hard at work behind me right now. Jen Wong, contemporary artist. Good to see you.
Good to see you, Rob.
Thank you for having us at your Carmichael home here. You're painting these beautiful oak trees here.
It's my pleasure.
It's amazing to see how quickly you work. I'm in awe of how fast this is.
I consider myself like a 100-meter dancer rather than the marathon runner.
Where do you find your inspiration? Do you prefer painting nature?
For me, I think any visual elements that is interesting to me. The nature, if you consider the setup of still life, or the wonder of a human face. And to me, all very inspirational.
So I see that your paint is very thick. How long does it take for these to dry?
It takes about a half a year to completely dry.
A half a year?
Right, but the surface right in a couple of weeks.
You must go through so much paint.
Absolutely, and I use up maybe 600 tubes, 200 cc a year. When they deliver it, and they come with a lifter and with pallet.
A pallet?
Absolutely. Maybe a pallet of paint and 2 pallet of canvases.
Well, whatever you're doing right, and we certainly do enjoy your paintings, and we love watching you at work, so I'd love to watch you do some more painting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jen Wong, here at your Carmichael home and studio. We'll see you next time on Rob on the Road. Let's paint.
Thank you so much.